Most data problems aren't caused by a lack of tools. They happen because data doesn't flow the way it should. Systems aren't properly connected. Pipelines are built quickly, but not designed to scale. And over time, you end up with workarounds instead of a structure. That's when reports become unreliable, APIs turn into bottlenecks, and new initiatives like analytics or AI take longer than they should. At Crystalloids, we design integration and data engineering as one consistent architecture on Google Cloud. We connect operational systems, manage APIs properly, and engineer scalable data pipelines, all designed to work together. Not one-off connections, but a reliable, reusable foundation your organization can grow on. For application integration, we use Google Cloud Application Integration, low-code, pay-as-you-go with standard connectors where they make sense. If connectors don't exist, we build production-grade custom ones. When APIs require governance and security, we implement Apigee. For data engineering, we use PubSub for real-time ingestion and Dataflow for scalable, serverless transformations. Everything is automated, monitored, and built to scale. If your integrations feel fragile or your data flows are harder to manage than they should be, it's time to engineer it properly.